I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack. Welcome back to your cozy English space, the place where you learn real English, the kind of English people actually use in real life, not just in textbooks.
Yeah, exactly. We try to make English feel friendly, simple, warm, like you're talking to two friends in a quiet, comfy studio.
And today's topic is a big one because it's something everyone wants: how to start small talk, how to speak English naturally anywhere. Shops, work, bus stop, gym, class, anywhere.
Before we begin, you know the rule. Please hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps our channel grow, and it brings more English learners into our cozy little family.
Okay, before diving into small talk tips, let's do our usual thing, a little warm-up chit-chat. Because hey, we can't talk about small talk without actually doing small talk.
True. So, Jack, how was your morning? You look, I don't know, suspiciously awake.
Suspiciously awake? Well, I had one of those rare superhero mornings. I woke up early, stretched like a very confused cat, made coffee, and didn't check my phone for a whole hour.
Wow, incredible. That's actually small talk material. Imagine someone at work saying, "Hey Jack, how's your morning?" And you say, "Pretty good. I woke up early for once." Simple, natural.
Exactly. And you? How was your morning?
Honestly, chaotic. I woke up, stared at the ceiling for 5 minutes, asked myself why my alarm hates me, then accidentally wore two socks that don't match.
That's perfect small talk content. People love relating to that. Someone says, "Morning, Emma, how are you?" And you say, "I'm okay, just fighting my socks today."
Yes, small talk doesn't need perfect grammar. It doesn't need big vocabulary. It needs real life, normal life.
So let's talk about it. People always say, "I don't know how to start small talk. What do I say? What if it's awkward?"
But here's the secret. Small talk is not special conversation. It's just small, simple, friendly moments. You don't need deep ideas. You don't need long stories. You only need one tiny spark. And then you follow the spark.
Let's teach that spark today.
The easiest way to start talking is to react to something around you. Weather, coffee, someone's bag, a busy day, a long line, a nice outfit. Simple.
For example, you're in a cafe. You can say, "Oh wow, this place is so busy today." Or, "I think everyone needs coffee this morning." Or, "That pastry looks so good."
These are not genius sentences, they're human sentences. That's why they work.
And guess what? People love reacting back.
Small talk doesn't need drama, just a detail. For example, "I woke up late today. I already need another coffee. I'm still half asleep. I'm trying to be healthy today. Let's see."
The power isn't the sentence, it's the vibe, the friendly tone.
People love talking about themselves, so ask something soft, light, easy, like, "How's your morning going? Busy day today? How's everything? Any plans for the weekend?"
These are small, but they open the door.
Okay, listen carefully. Here's the magic formula. React, share, ask. Example. React. "This place is so cold today." Share. "I forgot my jacket. Bad decision." Ask. "How's your morning going?" That's it. Small talk done.
Let's do another one. React, "The bus is really slow today." Share, "I think I'll be late again." Ask, "Do you take this bus every day?" Boom. Simple, natural.
Let's pretend we're waiting in line at a store. Jack, start.
Sure. "Oh, wow, this line is longer than my to-do list."
Right? I think everyone decided to shop today.
Yeah, I just came for one thing, and now I'm stuck.
That's me every time. Do you come here often?
See? A conversation started with nothing special, just complaining politely.
At work, small talk is different. You want to sound friendly, but also professional. Here are easy work-friendly lines. "How's your day going so far?" "How was your weekend?" "Got any fun plans after work?" "Busy morning?"
And to react naturally, "Oh, I get it," or "Oh, really?" or that sounds nice. Or, wow, busy day for you.
Small talk builds connection. It makes teamwork easier. It makes meetings less cold. It makes work human.
Here are universal small talk topics that always work: weather, morning routine, food, coffee or tea, travel, weekend, hobbies, work, pets, TV shows, a funny moment.
If you feel nervous, pick one of these and make a tiny sentence.
Small talk is not perfect grammar, perfect vocabulary, deep conversation, complex ideas. It is simple, friendly, human, light.
Your goal is not to impress. Your goal is to connect.
Let's practice. Repeat out loud. Nice day today.
Nice day today.
Busy morning?
Busy morning?
I need more coffee.
I need more coffee.
How's your day going?
How's your day going?
I like your jacket.
I like your jacket.
Any weekend plans?
Any weekend plans?
See? You just practiced small talk. Okay, we talked about so many things today. Small talk starters, tiny details, questions, funny moments, everything you need to sound natural in English.
And you know the rule. Hit the like button. Subscribe for more cozy English.
And comment below, one small talk sentence I want to try is ... We will read your comments.
I'm Emma.
I'm Jack.
And we'll see you in the next warm English conversation. Bye!